G'day Wallaby Dick and welcome to another episode of Tascast. In this episode we head over to the Ferneaux Islands for a little bit of a camp, chasing some of our favourite species being Southern Rock Lobster, Latris lineata, loading up on live bait, looking for some kingfish and also a swordfish drop as well. So there's plenty coming up in this episode, and this is in fact the last trip that I'll ever have over to the Furneaux for some time. Why is that, you ask? Well, you're just going to have to watch and find out. Some very exciting news coming up for me and the channel and everything Tascast fishing.
Couple crabs, couple of crabs on. A nice buck, nice female, nice little mating pair.
Good morning. How many have you got there? Oh, they just keep falling off. All right, on the live bait this morning. Loading up, ready for a few days on the Furneaux. Welcome to another episode. Stocking up on live bait. We've got a few things planned for the next few days. Hanging in close while we wait for some of the boys to come down. Just collecting bait. It's been a bit slow this morning, but we're on the fish now. It's going to start loading up. Wait for the other guys to get here, and then we'll be heading over for an overnight camp, which will be really fun. This is going to be my last trip to the Furneaux because I'm out of Tassie for a little bit. So I'm going to make the most of it. Wow, that's thick. All right. Whenever you are ready, sir. Very nice. Load it up. All right. This time when you come in, just walk back and I'll just put them on the deck so we don't lose them. All right. Yeah. All right. Cool. That'll be good. Get one down. I got a hook in my hand. What's your name?
John.
Hello, John. I'm Tim. Nice to meet you, mate. Welcome to your first episode. We've done a lot of fishing in the past before, haven't we?
Certainly have.
Sure have. Down the heads, the honey hole. But I think we want to try and get you on a stripey this weekend. We'd love a kingfish, a few crays for the boys. That'd be good, ideally, in an ideal world.
Yeah, they're on now.
Oh gosh, look how many there are. Oh, there's kings underneath it. What's that? They're pike?
I don't know what the fuck.
Yeah, they're pike. Oh, looks like.
What's going on?
Yeah, look like pike. That's something big. What have you got down there? I'm going to throw a soft plastic. What is that? Oh no, they're pike. Rotten little pike. I mean, yeah, I don't know if we really want them. Oh, there's squid there too. Look how many squid there are. Ooh. Fish on. There's bloody everything's happening down there. I'll put a squid jig on. We don't want these. Oh, I mean, maybe a bit of craybait, but there's squid everywhere, so I'll swap over to a squid jig. We've only got one hook left on this. Where's one? Pikey?
Oh, looks like the right colour.
Yeah, we're right on them now. Perfect, that's the first quad. Quad dinger in the arse. I might try not to touch these ones. I've got a glove on.
Alright.
Tell me what you're dropping here, John.
Yeah. Dropping a little.
Just a nice little ball of.
It's a unique setup, but it's been working.
We'll see if it actually catches. I think that sabiki is done. I get the feeling. 2 pike. Oh no. 1 yakka and 1 pike. Nice work. The bird's nest provides. Look what the bloody cat dragged in.
Nah, not good.
Hello. Hello there.
I'm having fun.
I'm having fun. Spinny's having fun. John's having fun. Guess what we're doing? We're having fun. Now, between the 4 of us, there's only one eager. And Jeff has had a fantastic season on the craze so far. What's your body count this season, Jeff?
I don't know about my body count.
So free diving it is on this very beautiful spot. Trying to fix the swags up the top. Jeff's about to jump in and see what he can find. I don't know if he's taking a camera down, but fingers crossed we'll be eating cray for dinner.
Yeah. Or is he breaking the head off it? No, he's got two. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Good job. It's not a buffalo. Good boy. Spin has been done. Couple of nice crays between all of us. This one. Good. That's a nice female. I think that one's two females.
Bit of captivity.
You want to go north?
Just walk in and out between gear. So almost drop out of gear.
Yeah, but north of the rocks or south of the rocks?
Go to this side of it.
Yeah.
Who's FG?
Yeah, just keep on walking it like that, mate. That's absolutely perfect.
How much do we put out?
You just want to sort of drop it mid-water.
So about 10 metres.
You'll see when there's kingies, you'll see it absolutely loaded with squiggles and shit.
Do they go like
No, you'll just see perfect arches of just... Yeah. Unfortunately, after walking some kingfish for about an hour, we couldn't see any sign of them biting, so it was time to go and pull our pot to see if we were having any crayfish, rock lobster for dinner.
Come on.
There's got to be at least three.
Oh.
Craziness.
Oh, look at that perfect shot from the perfect cameraman. Woo! Hands in the air, hands in the air. Woo, hands in the air. Woo, hands in the air. Oh, that's a 2 kegger. That's 2 kilos easy.
Drop it, man. I got him.
Conductor. That's a 2 kegger. All right, mate. Couple crabs. couple of crabs on. It's just 2. It's literally like 2.1, 2.2, like Papa Smith said.
Papa Smith.
Papa Smith! It was crazy all day.
Before too long, it was time to anchor up with our 2 anchor lines and pack it in for the night. It was a beautiful sunset. We did a little bit of hunting in the evening, playing around, mucking about, and cooking up a feast.
I think we should smoke him.
No, he's only a little.
Oh, you'll eat that, won't you? Little fucking
Bit of crunch.
Little munch crunch.
wash it down with a bit of porridge. What did you get?
Look.
Nothing.
Look.
A little tiny fish. That's bait. Done well.
Hey! Hey!
Look, here's another one.
Oi! Hold on a second. Oi! Eat it!
You said that you're going to eat what we catch.
What a fantastic sleep that was.
How was the angle on the boat?
It was perfect. This was so calm to wake up to. And today it's just going to be chaos. See if we can break some more rods. Mess some stuff up. What a beautiful, beautiful morning in the Furneaux. Go and check the pot, get these guys onto their first stripey, and then play and hope for some bigger species.
So that's the aim today. I haven't really been filming a whole heap on this trip, but it's just nice to be cruising and being present.
What's in the pot this morning, gentlemen?
Do you need a hand or are you good?
Oh, quick. Oh, was it the only one in there too? Oh no. Oh, dang it. We got sharked. Oh, what was it that jumped? Oh, there's salmon. Try and get them away. Try and get them away from each other.
Probably tuna.
I don't know. Look at them busting up over there. You could top water them. Sick. I'm having fun.
Are you having fun?
What is it? Is it a little king? Salmon. That's good. Yeah, Jeffy. Nice one, boys. It's good size too. Yeah, the king should be here if they're here. Yep. I'll tell you when to walk back. Yeah, walk back. Oh, it came off.
Oh no!
Oh no! Look at that below us though. That looks so kingy. All right. That's exciting. Cast real. Oh, he's on it! He's on it! He's on it! He's on it! They're on it! Look at them all! Oh!
So many.
Oh, it's exhilarating. Oh. Looks so cool. Oh, we might have to swap sides here. They fight pretty well.
Yeah, not bad. Good sized fish.
Nice. Nice carway. Oh, perfect. Very good. Oh, that looked really promising for some kingfish. Look at that. Fortunately, they're all just salmon. It's a good spot. Like that. I think it's time to go out wide and troll for a marlin. Bit of excitement for the morning, gents.
Absolutely.
6 salmon. We got bait for later. Perfect.
I've put 2 decent sessions in looking for a marlin at the 100 metre line this season now. Unfortunately, it just has not happened yet. Whether or not I'll get another chance to catch a Tasmanian marlin, who knows? Put the effort in, and before too long, it was time to get the guys onto their first trumpeter.
John is on his first stripey. Woo. Let's go. I've got to be 55 centimetres. Mearsy's first trumpet. Woo! Well done on the bait rig. Gotta be happy with that. They're a fun fight, aren't they?
Beauty.
Well done. We've just got to get these guys onto one now.
Hell yeah.
Nice work. Bit of food, bit of grub. Might take one each today. On to your second stripey, Mearsy. How's that 7500 pen reel going?
Like a dream.
Like a dream. Good job. This is the first one on this little kit, this little combo. On the bait. I dropped my jig down just then and missed one and then hooked a gurnet. I'm like, oh, I had my chance. And handed it over to you. Nice work. That's another good stripey. That's definitely over 55. Oh, look at the greedy bastard. He's eaten both hooks.
Has he?
Yeah, he's gone for one and then gone straight to the other.
Yeah, he has.
Classic.
Come on, smash it like it owes you money, Smitty.
It's just fucking feeling.
You might have doubles, mate.
Could have doubles.
Let's go easy on it. Put her in your hip.
Okay. Yeah, that makes that heaps.
That thing is bending, man. That's a doubles. Doubles on the stripes. 2 big ones too.
Nice.
Did they shake the hook, the sinker off again? Looks like it.
I got the word. One guy. That's it.
Woo! Slack on your rod. Nice work.
Oh, that's a couple of good ones.
Man, that's a solid effort. They are big ones too. Holy hat. Gee whiz. They are beautiful sized stripies. Woo. All on the bait. They haven't been wanting the jig. Oh. 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 Gotta get him up. It's a good one. On the stripy slayer jig. Get yours at Tamer Marine, the only place in Tasmania that stock them. Yeah, do you mind reversing, please? The old stripy slayer is finally paid off. It took me a couple of drops, but it's a ocean perch that'll get you. You really need to, as soon as you hit the bottom, just burn up straight away and get it into the water column like 10, 20 meters up, where the stripies will happily like get out of their little hole to come and eat it, whereas the perch, they only come up like 3 or 4 meters. So the quicker you do that and get up, the better. It's the same thing with the guys bait dropping. As soon as you hit the bottom, otherwise you're just stuck hanging out with terrible company. Luckily today on the boat, I've got good company. Oh, it's fun. 140 meters. How deep are we at the moment? Oh no, 128. Look at the sounder. Show the sounder. There the drifts will be doing. I think we might try and get Jeff onto a stripey, release that one if it's a healthy, and then we'll get going onto something else. It's a nice stripey. Hell yeah.
Beautiful.
Woo-hoo. On the slayer. On the stripey slayer.
Photo?
How's that? Very nice looking fish. That's probably about a 75-ish. Pretty chunky too. I'll grab a photo, but I'm on the board, so I'm happy. Ah, the old Jeffrey on his first stripey. Just a little pup. Or a big pup. Big puppy. Look at the guns on him. Slammer just loves it. I do love these pen slammers. They just reel so nice. 45 centimeters.
Undersized.
What? Oh, your GoPro's gone. Oh, no, never mind. We got the screen. That's it. Slack on the rod. Yep. And sit that in the holder. Hold on. Nice work. Another stripey bites the dust.
After loading up on a couple of stripies underneath our bag limit, we called it quits and went out wide for a sword drop before the wind picked up. Unfortunately, it did not happen for us and we did get sharked by something on the bait, but hey, I'm glad that we got out there for a drop. That's it for this episode. Thank you for hanging out with us. Hit that like button. We'll see you in the next one.